To find area, you should use the same unit for both dimensions. Problem 4. Finding area of a rectangle. Banners. You want to make a rectangular banner similar to the one at the right. The banner shown is 2.5 feet wide and 5 feet high. To the nearest square yard, how much material do you need? Well, recall in the case of a rectangle, to find area, we multiply length times width, or sometimes we call it base times height. The problem with this scenario is that our length and width are given in feet, but we're asked to the nearest square yard, how much material do you need? Step 1. We'll convert the dimensions of the banner to yards. We'll use the conversion factor, 1 yard over 3 feet. And recall the way conversion factors work. A conversion factor is a ratio involving 2 units that equals 1. In this case, 1 yard is equivalent to 3 feet, and so the conversion factor 1 yard over 3 feet equals 1. The advantage of a conversion factor is that it can be used to cancel out units, or convert to the desired units. So for the width, 2.5 feet is equivalent to 5 halves, so we convert that mixed number to an improper fraction. 5 halves feet times 1 yard over 3 feet. Note the units feet cancel, and we end up with 5/6 yard. For height, a similar process. 5 feet times 1 yard over 3 feet. The units feet cancel, and we're left with 5/3 yards. Step 2. Now knowing the height and width in yards, we can find the area of the banner in square yards. Area of a rectangle, recall, is base times height. So we multiply 5/6 times 5/3, that's 25/18. So we can state the area of the banner is 25/18, or possibly more practically, 1 7/18 square yards. Recall that we were prompted to round to the nearest square yard, which seems reasonable when buying material, and we need 2 square yards of material. Your turn. You are designing a poster that will be 3 yards wide and 8 feet high. Note the difference in units. How many square feet of paper do you need to make the poster?